Have you ever felt like your heart was running on empty? Like you stood in prayer, but the words didn't really touch your soul? Or maybe you've been reciting Qur'an, but it felt more like reading words on a page than having a conversation with Allah? My dear brothers and sisters, if that's something you've experienced, know this. You are not broken, and you are not alone. Every believer goes through it. Even those closest to Allah felt waves in their faith. Sometimes your iman is strong, your heart melts in dua, you feel Allah near, and sometimes you feel distant. That is part of the human journey, part of how Allah designed our test in this life. But stay with me until the end of this video, because I'm going to walk you through a heartfelt and practical guideline, step by step, on how to truly reset your soul and reconnect deeply with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And here's the beautiful truth. When your Iman dips, that very feeling of distance is not a punishment. It's a mercy. It's like a spiritual alarm clock from Allah, whispering to your heart, come back, it's time to reset. It's time to reconnect. Think about it. When your phone freezes, you don't throw it away, you reset it. And in the same way, your heart too needs a reset button. And today, inshallah, I want to share with you not a complex theory, not dry philosophy, but a simple 5-step strategy, practical, doable, and powerful, that can help you revive your faith in your real daily life. Step 1, a reset day with Allah. Imagine declaring one day, just one, as your reset day with Allah. You wake before the sun rises, not rushing, but slowly, intentionally. You whisper in sujud, and nobody hears you except the Lord of the worlds. You open the Qur'an, and this time you pause, reading as if every ayah is being revealed directly to your heart, because truly, it is. This reset day takes you off autopilot. No endless scrolling, no drowning in background noise, no distractions. Instead, your tongue softens with dhikr, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah, said while walking, driving, cooking, resting. Your whole day becomes colored with remembrance. But I know, life is busy. We have families, children, parents, jobs. Not everyone can retreat like in the stories. That's okay, because even those responsibilities can be turned into worship with a renewed intention. Tell yourself, this is a blessing. This is my door to Allah's reward. Suddenly, cooking dinner becomes ibadah. Caring for parents is ibadah. Your work is ibadah. Because you realign the heart. By the end of that day, you'll feel it. The heaviness lifts. Your heart feels lighter, like rain finally fell on dry ground. Is it perfection? Is it renewal? Yes, and that's the power of a reset day with Allah. Step 2, reflect and adjust. But don't stop when the day ends. Sit down with a notebook by your prayer mat and reflect. Ask yourself, what was different today compared to my normal days? Did I sense how much time I usually waste? Did I notice the endless scrolling, the small distractions, the sneaky ways my salah slips away when I'm with certain company? This reflection is where real change begins. Without reflection, days pass, weeks pass, months pass, and the distance from Allah quietly grows. But a single honest reflection can reveal the cracks that are draining your iman. And remember, Allah is not asking for perfection. He is asking for awareness and sincerity. Reflection reactivates both. Step 3, small goals and checkpoints. Now here's where many of us make the mistake, trying to remodel our entire faith life in one night. We rush into 10 commitments only to burn out after 3 days. That's not the sunnah. The Prophet taught us that the most beloved actions to Allah are the ones that are small but consistent. So after reflecting, pick just one concrete goal for the month. Not 10, just one. If prayer is your struggle, then make this month your mission. Guard salah at its time. Treat it like treasure. If social media is your distraction, limit yourself. Carve out just 30 minutes and gift the rest of that time to Qur'an or dhikr instead. Then set a checkpoint. At the end of each week or at the end of the month, reassess. Did I do better? Did I slip? Did I notice improvements or new challenges? Slowly, with each checked goal, You're stacking bricks of consistency. And before you even realize it, you've built a strong foundation. Step 4. Surround yourself with good company. Now let's talk about your environment. Imagine lighting a candle in heavy wind. It flickers, weakens, and soon goes out. But shielded in a calm space, that same candle glows beautifully. Your heart is that candle. Company is your environment. So think honestly, who am I surrounded by? Offline, are my friends careless with salah, pulling my speech toward gossip and worldly noise? Or are they the kind who remind me gently, encourage me to pray on time, share gems of Qur'an or hadith, make me feel Allah's presence even in casual settings? And remember, your online world counts too. Who do you follow? Who do you watch? Every scroll, every video, every voice shapes your heart. Choose company that pulls you upward, not downward. Protect your candle. Step 5. Dua again and again. And finally, the fuel that powers everything. Dua. My brothers and sisters, dua is the rope we throw upward when we feel weak below. It is the link between our short reach and Allah's unlimited mercy. So diversify your duas. Ask Allah in sujood to soften your heart, to return sweetness to worship. Ask Him when walking, to forgive you. Ask Him while cooking, to bless your family. Ask Him at night, to give you strength. Ask Him to keep you firm, to grant righteous company, to make obedience easy and sin heavy. And know this promise, when you take one step toward Allah, He comes running toward you. One whisper of Astaghfirullah, one sajdah, one tear, can open rivers of mercy you never imagined. Never belittle even the smallest act. Closing reflection. If you are feeling distant today, don't give in to despair. That's the whisper of shaitan. Instead, reset. Choose one day for Allah. Reflect with honesty. Build one goal. Seek righteous company, and wrap it all in dua. Change doesn't come in sudden explosions. It comes in drops of consistency, watering the seed of Iman until it grows into a tree that shades you in this dunya and bears fruit in the akhirah. May Allah grant us hearts that reset often, Iman that grows steadily, and tongues that are always moist with His remembrance. And may He gather us among those who never lose hope in His mercy and always walk the path back to Him. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.